In this video, I wanted to show you real quick how to use the electronic parking brake on a 2021 Honda Accord. Pretty simple process. This will also work for many other Honda vehicles. You're going to locate the parking brake button right in the middle of the vehicle. That's going to be this one with a P on it right there. To set the parking brake, you're going to pull on it. You'll notice it lights up red, and then you'll also notice on the dash that the brake indicator is now lit up. That'll tell you it's set. If you're trying to turn off the parking brake, you're going to first push on the brake pedal, and then with this button, you're going to push down on it. That light will go off. The light will also go off on the dash. That's all there is to it. The parking brake is now turned off. If you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, comment with any comments, and subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.